In this video, I will show you how to add a yellow circle around your mouse cursor. So first, go to rw-designer.com, then click Gallery, and then type highlight cursor, and then click search, and then select this one, then click this little icon here to save, then put it anywhere you want, and then click this and click show in folder, and then right click, then copy, then go to drive C and Windows folder, then cursors folder, and then paste it here. Then after that, click this magnifier search icon here, then type mouse settings, and then click additional mouse option, click pointers tab, and then click the browse button and go to my computer, then drive C, then Windows folder, then cursors, then find your file here, your downloaded file, this one, then click open. Then before you click apply button, first you must save it. Just click this one, then type highlight button cursor, then click apply. Here you have it. And in case you want to revert it back to default cursor, just click this drop down menu, then select none, then click apply. And if you want to go back to your yellow cursor again, just click this one and click highlight cursor, then click apply. That's it.